Hey my loves, how are you? I hope everybody's doing okay. Well, for me, I'm not doing okay, but anyway, yeah, I have to show up. Okay, let's move on. So today we're gonna make pilau. So yeah, we're gonna make plain pilau because I didn't feel like I want to use meat because the meat that I was supposed to use was in the freezer and it was gonna take like a long time, like to remove them, soak them in the hot water, to wait until the ice, I was like, nah, I'm hungry, I just want to cook something that is faster. And yeah, so yeah, for those who doesn't know what pilau is, it's fried rice mixed with meat, and you can make it with any meat of your choice. And again, there is some specific spices that you're supposed to use, like cumin seeds, cloves, and other spices that I don't know names. So basically, it's like it's South African jollof, but trust me, it's even tasty than jollof itself, like for real. But anyway, that's my opinion, and don't kill me for that, okay? Let's move on. So yeah, just done with my ingredient, which was onion, belly pepper, and I had to put them on the oil first, and yeah. Please let me know in the comment below if you have ever tasted pilau before, or if you have some different way to make it pilau. Yeah, I would like to learn as well, So yeah, I was just cooking with the vibe, even though I was vibing gospel music. But anyway, yeah, I don't know if I'm the only one who likes cooking while I'm listening to music. Wow. Okay. So yeah, here I was frying my onions. I just waited for them to turn into brown color so I can add another ingredient. So yeah, time to add spices. I started with black pepper. After black pepper, I added cumin seeds. After cumin seeds, I added paprika. And after paprika, what else? Garlic, and And after I had to fold those spices and put it back in the place where they belong, and so that we can go ahead with our cooking. Yeah, I just love cooking when I don't see a lot of stuff in front of me. So I just prefer cooking. When I put it back, other stuff, I'm not that person who cook and left everything in the sink. Like, I cook while I'm washing dishes because I hate a dirty kitchen. Because I don't know, I just hate that. So, and I hate to wash a lot of stuff. So I prefer cooking while washing dishes because I hate to wash a lot of stuff. So yeah, that's what I do there. And so let's keep going. Here I was just squeezing my garlic. Okay, so we're going to make salad now. Now cooking pilau, but now I'm going to make salad. I have never done this salad that I'm going to make today, but they say it should be creative, and I think that's what I'm going to do today. So this is the ingredient that I'm going to use. This is the leftovers of potato salad, and this is cucumber, and this is belly pepper. So yeah, Stay tuned. Hey. Okay. I think I have to use onions as well. Okay, and I decided to use one onion, so I think I'm gonna start cutting onion so I can soak it in hot water because I can't eat it when it's not soaked. Yes, like it's really strong to me, and yeah, I have just to soak it first in hot water, and yeah, so. Okay, so I have to put this here, and now I'm going to chop this bell pepper and cucumber. Time to unsoak the onion in hot water. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch onions with my hands. Okay? Yeah, I'm going to do this. I can't be the only one who doesn't want to touch onions. Okay? I love onions, but I don't want to touch them. They smell horrible in my hands. So, I think I have to pull this somewhere on a plate here. Okay. Lemon. Onions. Hold on. And oil. Okay. That's too much. Okay. Use salt instead. Yeah, that's enough. Mix, 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 mix. Yeah, this is the consistency how it looks like when you mix lemon and oil. You see? Become a bit thick. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to soak all the onions into this consistency that I made, into this oil that I made, and yeah, I'm going to soak the onions
57. This trip, I said it was all great. It's just elevated. It's nuts. It's all great. Don't do
I don't think the salt that I added was enough. Just have to add the bits because I'm going to add cucumber into this as well, and the cucumbers are not salted as well. So time to add cucumber. I'll add them right now. Okay. I hope this bowl that I picked is enough for everything. Belly pepper. I don't know where I'm going to put this, but because the whole bowl is full already. Yeah. You know what? I don't think this bowl is enough. I'm gonna change to a huge one. Yeah, much better. And time to add potato salad. I told you, I have never done this salad before, but yeah. So this is how it looks like. Now time to mix everything. La 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 la. And I think it looks great. That's what they look like, and I think, should I try one bite? One bite. So time for the lunch to be served. Okay. Pilau mshenzi. This is the food that I make when I'm lazy to cook the whole meal. Because I was supposed to make chicken stew, but it was like I found to be a long process, and I felt like I don't have that time because I'm about to shoot some other content. So I just wanted to do something that is faster so I can be able to shoot my other content. So yeah, that's why I make this, and I hope it's great. Okay, so now time to taste everything. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, this is. If I was in African home now, my mom could have been. Are you stupid? Do you have some sense in your head? Eh? No, she wasn't that rude. I lied.
It's 2 piece. I love 2 piece. I love it. Thank you. Thank you very much. I love it. Oh, nice. Oh, that's all. Oh, this is great.